you do nothing else from this video, grab orange peels and lemon rinds and put them in a mason jar and then cover with white distilled vinegar. All of these ideas are affordable, natural, and I promise they work. Seal your jar and set on your countertop for 1 to 2 weeks. Dilute the infused vinegar with water. Usually I do a 50-50 ratio into a glass spray bottle. This is such a versatile solution, and the citrus oils in the peels act as a natural degreaser and disinfectant. It works great on windows, glass, countertops, sinks, appliances, and floors too. And my favorite, the citrus infusion leaves a fresh, clean smell. This is such a sustainable option. By reusing leftover citrus peels from your fruit, it's a great way to reduce waste.
My friend, welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Today I'm sharing with you my simple cleaning routine, natural cleaning products. We're gonna make this easy and I want you to leave feeling so motivated. I completely stopped using spray cleaners on the wood surfaces of my house. I love lemon oil. Parker & Bailey's Lemon Oil Polish. This is low odor, it's safe to use, it has no wax, no silicone, no petrochemicals, and no harmful solvents. And it does an amazing job at dusting and polishing your furniture. I use this on all of my larger pieces, and it's also safe to use on glass, which is really great for your combination pieces. The one in our entryway has glass and wood, and just to be able to clean it in one swipe is awesome. I also love that I can use it on our entryway table. And have you heard of reusable paper towels? What's great about these is you can wash them and then roll them up like you would a paper towel and put it on the paper towel roll in your kitchen. Or you can just keep these in a basket in your cleaning zone. But I love that you can reuse these. These are wefted. They're really great for cleaning glass, and they're also awesome for cleaning wood surfaces. I love that they're multi-purpose, and it ends up saving me money because I don't have to constantly be repurchasing paper towels.
A similar Dollar Tree equivalent are these Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning rags. You get 2 in a pack. They're made from recycled materials and are machine washable. They're great on glass and furniture and are 5 stars for a reason. The texture on these is also wefted, so in a similar way to the eco towels, you can roll them up like paper towels and dispense as you need them.
And if you don't have an O-Cedar push broom, I can highly recommend this. It's washable, it's reusable, it's really great to get under furniture. It collects dust and pet hair great. And what I love even more is all O-Cedar products work really well on your baseboards. You can run this along your baseboards to give these a quick clean. The surface area is awesome. I've used this for years and love it. I'm all about making cleaning more simple.
My push broom has held up for years. It attracts dust very well, and it's machine washable. The lemon oil polish is less than $10, and if you have any vintage pieces or beautiful wood furniture, this is what I would recommend. This video is full of ideas for a whole house cleaning routine, every room of your home, and I want to give you some encouragement too. Please remember to be gentle with yourself. There's lots of parts of my house that are left undone for the moment or things that I'm still working on. And in the wise words of Brené Brown, talk to yourself like someone you love. No beating yourself up, okay? We all have spots of our house like that. And my goal is to share with you ideas to make your cleaning just a little bit easier, however we can.
Now let's talk about floors and this product. This is Sal Suds Biodegradable Cleaner. This is a cleaning soap that is amazing on fabrics, on floors, and even your carpets and upholstery. This product is all natural, it's concentrated, and it's biodegradable.
I use this in my O-Cedar spin mop, and you only need a tiny little squirt, and optional is to add some essential oil. I've used many floor cleaners over the years, and this hands down is my favorite.
This smells awesome, and it has such a great commitment to being eco-friendly. I love this stuff, and I can't wait to share with you how I use it. So the first way is I put a tiny bit of this, just a tablespoon, in my wet vacuum. This is a Bissell wet vac, and I use this to clean carpets. After I quickly dry vac it, I go through with a wet vac. I do this about once every couple months just to pull out all of the dirt that settles in there because we do have a dog, and it does such an amazing job. It gets out so much, and I love to get to use this product because it's pet friendly.
I'm always so impressed by how much dirt the liquid picks up and the after of the rug. 1 container of water does my entire dining room. So I cleaned this entire space using all natural products.
Salsuds also makes a great upholstery cleaner, and it says right on the packaging that you can use this in your laundry. I haven't yet done that, but I'm excited to try it soon. Again, I can just put this in my Bissell wet vac and use this to clean couch cushions and give everything a refresh.
My wet vac also comes with a hose extension, which is awesome for cleaning your furniture. And if you don't want to splurge on the full wet vac, the little green Pet Pro is just good for furniture and spot cleaning only. I highly recommend this product as well if you're looking to save a little bit. I just combine it with the Salsuds to clean my furniture. And just so you know, everything in this video I purchased with my own money.
Are you having fun yet? Let's talk kitchen. I want to share with you 2 of my favorite hacks you might not know about.
We're going to talk about the power of steam cleaning, and you don't want to miss this update.
The original Bissell Steam Shot, the one I got so excited about a few years ago, did get recalled. But if you didn't know, they have a new Steam Shot. It's equally as affordable, and there are 2 main differences because they do the same job. And the first is there is an indicator at the top of the Steam Shot. When this is deployed, it shows you that this is under pressure. And there's a little safety mechanism right on the top, so you have to push down on it for this to work. I think this is great, and I want to show you how easy this makes cleaning.
If you bought the original Bissell Steam Shot and you send the company a photo of you cutting the cord, they will reimburse you for the cost of it. And I did that to purchase this new one. It works almost exactly the same, I think a little bit better. The steam comes out more evenly and I don't have to let up on the button as frequently. This is a great product. I use Steam Shots all over my kitchen. It's great for cleaning your oven and doing it quickly. I love that the power of steam helps sanitize as well as clean, and it loosens grime and dirt. They come with lots of different attachments too. This is a scraper tool and it works really well on your oven, especially the glass top. And a pro tip when you're using your steam cleaner, the power of steam is often enough, but if you find you need a little bit more elbow grease and time, I love to get these Dollar Tree Brillo Basics pads and some baking soda. You can combine with just a splash of vinegar, and this will help dissolve some of that sticky, baked on residue, and it will make cleaning even faster. So what I like to do is get my steam cleaner out once every few weeks, and then I can take it through different spots of my kitchen to clean really quickly. It's less elbow grease. I use this on my stove cooktop, and there are so many places you can use it, from your cutting boards to disinfect them. Another favorite is my trash can, and I love just having it out. I can literally work with this around the whole kitchen. It heats up really quickly. Just make sure to let it cool down and depressurize as you open it. The fridge is another amazing spot to clean. This one I think is probably the most satisfying, but in between your grocery shopping, or if you're starting to notice your fridge doors have some mold buildup, this will take that out. Now let's talk some all-natural Dollar Tree products, especially in the kitchen and to keep your fridge smelling great. I love the Fresh and Natural household odor eliminators. You just open these up, you can stick this in the back of your fridge to help absorb smell. And the Dollar Tree Peppermint Sage Daily Cleaner for your granite is fantastic. It's made from plant-derived ingredients, it smells great, and has done an awesome job in my kitchen for just $1.25. And somebody is gonna love this next trick. In fact, I think it might be my favorite of the video. If you struggle with towels in your kitchen that are falling off of the bars, all you have to do is get some peel and stick Velcro that is fabric friendly. You can find this on Amazon. I'll be sure to link it. Put it at the edges of your towels, and then you can put these together, and now they're not gonna slip off. So if you've got little hands in the kitchen, this is a favorite trick. Cleaning the kitchen can feel so overwhelming, so I hope these simple ideas are ones you can actually use. And now let's talk about the bathroom, because I love this one.
When it comes to cleaning the bathroom, there are 2 things I get asked most about. And the first are glass shower doors. If you have these, you need to try the Scrub Daddy Natural Paste. This is a biodegradable cleaner and it works amazingly well with your Scrub Daddy on your shower doors. You just have to buff this in and then rinse away. I like to keep a squeegee in the shower just so I can help those hard water stains from returning, especially if you have hard water. This is a great option. Not a lot of elbow grease is required. And they now sell spray bottles that are also misters. These are very similar to what you would see with Dawn Power Wash, and you can add your Salsud soap right into these spray bottles, and you can use this to clean your countertops in the bathroom. It's really great to give this a quick wipe down.
I love how this is so similar to the Dawn Power Wash spray nozzle. You can use these all over your house as a room misting spray too, but I love how this gets just the right amount of product. I use about 1.5 cups of water to about 1 teaspoon of the Salsuds soap. The bathroom is clean quickly. This is one of my most dreaded tasks, but these 2 products are actually easy to use. I can't wait to hear what you think.
I have a completely free cleaning routine. I'm gonna link it down below. And what I love about it is I want you to be kinder to yourself. I feel like if you walk into a space or in your home and you feel overwhelmed by having to clean all of it, or there are spots that are really dirty, it can make you feel like in order for it to feel better, you have to do the entire thing. But this cleaning routine makes it so you get to make fewer decisions. I don't know about you, but I just want to walk into a room and have somebody else tell me, here's where you start and here's what you do. This cleaning routine is in order of how you should clean the room to make it the fastest and easiest possible. And if you're short on time, the items that are bolded are the ones I would make sure to get done, and then the other items are extras if you're able to do them.
Each room of the house is included, and it's as straightforward as possible.
If you struggle to get started, I would highly recommend creating a ritual task for yourself. This is something that you do every day, and it's the same every day to help set your day off on the right foot. For me, it's when I get up, making our bed. This makes my bedroom feel ready for the day. For some people, that's cleaning the kitchen sink. It's wiping down counters. It's prepping your calendar. Maybe it's prayer or centering time. I would love to know if you have a morning or an evening ritual task. For me, my morning ritual task is making the bed, and my evening ritual task is cleaning out the kitchen sink. When I do those 2 things, I feel like my entire day from start to finish is set up on the right foot. And if you've never picked a ritual task before, that's included in the printable as well, so you can pick one and start to do something for you that makes a difference in your home. I truly believe it's these little wins that add up to something big. It is such a privilege to get to share this with you, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll see you soon.
Need some more love? Let's keep hanging out. I'll show you all the ways I use my Bissell Steam Shot around my home. I'll see you there, friend.